everyone! Welcome back to another travel vlog. Ngayong araw na ito ay tutur ko kayo sa kakabukas lang or newly renovated na Fujairah Beach. Isa na rin daw siya sa magiging tourist attraction dito sa Fujairah. Titignan natin ngayong araw na ito at sasaksihan natin kung totoo nga ba talaga yung chismis na maganda ang Fujairah Beach. What's up mga ka-wonders? Nandito na nga tayo sa entrance papunta sa Fujairah Beach. As you can see, napaka-greeny ng lugar. Greenwich. Hi mga ka-wonder! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Fujairah Umbrella Beach. So as you can see behind my back, ang dami na rin mga taong nandito. Enjoy nila ang new environment, new ambience at new renovated na Umbrella Beach.
The new Umbrella Beach is a newly developed seafront complex which consists of retail outlets, restaurants, coffee shops, and more. The project intends to establish a commercial landmark in the Emirates of Fujairah, bringing benefits to business owners, customers, as well as the local population. The main vision of this project is to create the most attractive destination for families, young demographics, business people, and investors on the east coast of UAE. The construction of Umbrella Beach Complex broke ground in February 2020 and completed by November 2021.
So ayan na nga mga ka-wonder, it's really truly amazing yung renovation ng Fujairah Umbrella Beach. And that's conclude our simple vlog for today. Thank you for watching and see you on my next travel vlog. Bye!
Never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I call before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about the secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.